Good morning, guys, from mountain north of Athens. This is our forest house. It's a Christmas day. The birds are flying over there. The pigeons, you see them? You see them? You see them? Look how beautiful this is. It's like like last year we have snow, and today it's like springtime. Let's see the temperature. It's like 16 and rising. I think it's gonna go to 18 today. So now I'm gonna take this off again. You saw in the last video they work, and put them on the bench and check every soldering weld very careful before I just put the rubber over. All right, and the thing is, I'm giving you a lot of information because when I search for something, I also want a lot of information. So most of you're probably gonna have some kind of fear to do that, but the enemy of fear, it's knowledge. Okay, the more you know, the better you're gonna become, the more confident you're gonna become, and then you're eventually gonna do it. So this is the reason the videos I do, they're not like 5 minutes. It's all the details that I can get out to you. Okay, and if you think it's boring, just go forward and see the next part. But the more information I'm giving you, it's very important. It's very important. Because the same thing, it's like when I'm looking for something, I want to, before I start doing it and I haven't done it never, I want to get the more information I can get on my hands on. All right, look how beautiful this is olive trees. Check them out. It's our garden. It's like a summer day. It's like I don't know, 16, 17, 18 degrees. Look at these olive trees here. You see that? Yes, we get olives from our own trees. They're here. Check it out. Okay. Well, before you eat them, you have to prepare them and you have to leave them for 6 months in a can. Look how nice they are. All right. You can't eat them from a tree. They're very bitter. Look at that. All right. Let's take our time and take the grips off and continue. Okay, one thing I discovered, if you're watching my videos, I have activated the heat on Motoscan, so I can see the heat here. Check it out. See that? Heat, high. Okay, this indication here is for the grips. The grips, they are very hot right now. Look at that, it's on high. Okay, if I put it on low, look what's gonna happen. Low. Low. Do you see it? If I put it off, this is high. This is low. This is low. So I'm gonna put it on high because I'm doing some testing. But check it out. This is what activates from Motoscan. So when you ride, you have this indication there. I'm just gonna leave it on. Nothing wrong with that. So what I'm doing now, I'm testing a tape. First of all, excuse me. It's very hot right now. I can't even touch it. But I'm putting a little bit just Scotch tape here. All right. See if this gonna hold with the heat right here. It's very hot. Also, play with that before you start closing everything. Play with that, because when you put it on, you gotta take it off again and fix it. And you gotta replace the grips. So I wanna do as much as I can with that before I start closing down. You should do the same. This is very hot too. So I'm gonna leave it on high for 5 minutes So just to see how this tape behaves here. If it starts melting, I'm not going to use it. I like this one because it's very thin, so when I put the grip on, it is going to slip nicely. Also, it will protect the electrical components here, and all the welds that I made. You see the welds here, you hardly can see them, right here, okay? Very hot, very hot. So this is what this is. This is what I activate with the Motoscan. Check my part 1, 2, 3, 4 on Motoscan. It's excellent information if you want to get trouble faults and all this kind of stuff, or delete the service warning here, fix your lights, do a lot of things. Motoscan does a lot of things. It's good to know if your bike is talking to you through the computer. Older bikes like this one doesn't have that. This has nothing. Just front cables and that. I love my Fat Boy, but you know, this is a different kind of beast. This bike is talking to you. As long as you have an app like the Motoscan, it's talking to you. So these are real hard right now. Very hard. I can't lift my hand on, so I need grips. Extremely hot. Let's see how hot they are. Okay, let's check it out. Wow. Up to 174 Fahrenheit. Can you see that? Wow. 130, 120, 120. Let's see. Wow. This is a little bit hotter. I have no idea why. Okay, now this goes to 146 now. So this is hot too. 146. Let me turn this way. 135 maximum. 164. Yeah, about the same. 163. I hope you can see it with the GoPro. What I'm doing now, but it's very important. $169, 160. Let's put it so the tape holds pretty good. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put it on low. These are really hard. I can't even touch it. Well, if you have the grips on, it will be much more comfortable. But right now, they're very hard. They're very hard. So let's see them low. Well, this went up to 189. This was 160. They're about the same. It's just like what I'm giving the gun. 168. And now temperature is on low. Can you see it? It's low. Amazing. Let's see. Yep, temperature is going down. Let's see here, 139. 100. What is this? This is like, no, temperature is going down. 139, 139, 150 is dropping. It depends where you hit the gun, but I can feel them. It's going down. This is still a little bit hotter than the other one. Great, sorry. great. So I'm gonna take them off and check all the welds, play with them a little bit like this, because I don't want to close everything and start taking everything out again in a couple of months. I want them to last for years. So I'm gonna go through a little bit of welds and stuff, do another inspection, then I'm gonna put the Scotch tape on. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna be checking the welds one more time. Let me see if I can put it somewhere so you can see also the instrument. A bit more. Let me see here. Okay, so basically you put it on and check all the welds. And you see this is a little bit sharp here, so I'm gonna take it off and do an inspection on the bends. Also, a little tip here, how to take these plugs off without damage them. On the back of them, there's a little plastic here that you can just pick it up like this with your, you know, 3 hands. But if you pick it up, let's see if I can try it like that. No, so I'm gonna use the nail thing. Ah, you see that? It's better with the nail. Another one here. Alright. To take them off easy. Alright, so I'm gonna take it to the bench and just smooth some welds here, soldering welds, so they won't damage the grip when we put it in and everything. All right. Okay, waiting for the gun to heat up, and if you have an older bike like mine, it's time to clean up the indications. Plus, they sell stickers that you can put on and refurbish them, and but look, they look okay again. I just used like a little bit of wet here and dishwasher soap. That's all. And they start looking good again. So it's time now to inspect the welds before final installation. Okay, you probably have watched part 1 and part 2, but basically to get this job done you need a fine soldering gun. You see that? And I recommend the soldering. your instruments ready. Okay, I'm checking this side here. I'm not gonna touch the small welds because they work fine. Look how much work look, you see the scratches here? I just scratched the tape so I can find out what was the missing connection, the broken connection here. So this is a good trick to remember. If you can find where it is, because they are thinner than a hair, just scratch them a little bit here so you can just, you know, connect this and that. Let me show you how it works. You see that? You hear that? So you know, if that doesn't sound anything, you have a broken line here. Alright? So you don't have to inspect the whole thing. So you go step by step. You go here, then you go here, then you go from here to here, and you keep moving. Alright? Remember, that was like 11 welds on this one and 14 on the other one. So 11 and 14 was like 25 broken lines on these babes here. All right, let's take the other one. Okay, let's inspect the tape. Okay, after all this heat, this tape will hold pretty good. This is just regular Scotch tape you use on the office, the thin one. You see that? So it's very important to be able to take it off, so you can do, if you need to, future repairs. Okay, as long as it comes off, and you can do repairs in the future, then that's fine. I'm gonna put a new one. So this one came off fine. All right, let's check the connection. Okay, good. Let's clean the gun. Done. Okay. 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 Now remember, the left one, it has the hole that you put the bolt in. Hold on. Okay, electrical and stuff, silicone. Okay, don't over tight this. That's a T10. And don't lose this. This is hard to find. Okay, let's see the size of that. No. This. Let me try. This is like T12, something like that. I'm not really sure. Now be careful, there is a, on the top, there is the nut. Okay, let me show you. See that? Right here, little nut. I don't have to put Loctite because the rubber goes over it and it just holds the thing in place. So I'm gonna have to use Loctite on that. But I will just tighten it just a little more. That's it. Because with tension stuff, it will be a good idea to double check. Το πιστεύω αυτό. And then water. Okay. I just put it upside down before. Alright. right, so inspection is done. We're closing up. All right. Okay. All right. You put it all the way in, and just in case of a problem, I'm gonna put this in here. That's good. Good. That's the inspection here. All right, one more time. Okay, that's it. Okay, I've activated this through the motor scan. Look at that. Okay, final inspection. I'm gonna start tightening bolts and nuts. That's how it goes. Alright guys, if you like that, put it like. Likes makes me going. Well, you can put the tip if you want. Or you can become a patron and you get all our secrets. Basically what's left is just heat up, and I don't have them. I order them. Just put the rubbers on and just put it back. That's it. Harley, our baby here. You want to say hi to the world? Do you? Do you? She's in a sleeping mood. She's in a sleeping mood. Alright, see you out. Signing out. Okay, one more thing is I don't know, it's really up to you, but I'm gonna put the tape around. I did a test on the tape before and it will not melt. Just a regular thin Scotch tape. This way I will protect the the work I have done, and also it will just the rubber is just going to go around easier. And if you wanted to take it off to do some work, it comes off easy. Okay. A guy suggested that to me. I was ready to put, duct tape, but duct tape is too thick. This one is perfect. Just one round, that's all you need. Test. I think it's a good idea. Brown, he wants to play with the Harley. You do? You do? Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Look at his beautiful eyes. It's amazing. Alright guys. See you later.